Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make nice custard. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 4 large egg yolks, 2 cups of whole milk, and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. For that perfect creamy texture, we'll also use 2 tablespoons of cornstarch or all-purpose flour. And of course, a dash of flavor with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Having everything ready before you start makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now let's get cooking. In a bowl, whisk your egg yolks, sugar, and cornstarch until the mixture is light yellow and creamy. Meanwhile, gently heat your 2 cups of whole milk in a saucepan over medium heat until small bubbles form around the edges, but do not boil it. This is crucial for a smooth custard. Next, slowly pour about 1/2 cup of the hot milk into the egg mixture while whisking constantly to temper the eggs, preventing them from scrambling. With your eggs tempered, it's time to bring everything together. Pour the warmed egg mixture back into the saucepan with the rest of the milk. Continue to cook this over medium-low heat, stirring constantly with a whisk or a wooden spoon. This step typically takes about 5 to 7 minutes. You'll know your custard is perfectly thickened when it coats the back of a spoon and leaves a clear trail when you run your finger across it. Avoid boiling to maintain that silky texture. Once your custard reaches that perfect consistency, remove it from the heat immediately. Stir in your 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that lovely aroma and taste. To prevent a skin from forming, pour the warm custard into a clean bowl and press plastic wrap directly onto its surface. Then, place it in the refrigerator to chill for at least 2 to 3 hours. This allows the custard to set properly and develop its full flavor. Enjoy your homemade, delicious custard.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.